Okay, I got a box of locks in today from Chris in Arkansas. Let's open it up and see what kind of locks we've got. Okay, we got a little note from him, so I'll read that later. So you can find the locks. Okay, we got a master combination lock. Okay, we got a Schlage, look like 5-pin lock. Guess there's a lock in there. Okay, got a little miniature lock in. It does work. Okay, we've got a 5-pin quick set. Okay, I guess that's all of them. Let me see what he says about these locks. Right. Put your magic to it. Okay, you're talking about that's combination lock has a small keyway. Might want to put my magic to it and open it up. Quick set was his first challenge lock. The Schlage he's kind of proud of. Hope it gives me a little challenge. Okay. Alright, tell you what, let's lay this aside. Let's see what we can do with this Schlage. See if we can put it in the vise. Alright, let's see what we want to start off with on this Schlage. Let's use the top of the keyway, and let's use this pick. Let's work our way to the back. There's a little bit on pin 2. Pin 5, or pin 4 and then pin 5. Okay, there's a little bit more on pin 1 then. Okay, there's pin 3. Feedback on pin 2, I believe. Okay, there's pin 2. Let's go back to the back of the lock again and check our pins. Okay, pin 1 is a culprit and it's open. Okay, let's take it out and let's see what kind of pins we have in this Schlage. Okay, let's see what kind of clip we have. See if we can get the clip off. And if we lock it back, we've got a key. See if we can get it off. Okay, it looks like it's trying to come off. See if we can. Okay, let's lock it back till we get that clip off. There it is. Okay, let's see how we want to do this. Okay, I guess we have to get it like this. Okay, let's try it this way. Okay, there's pin 5, like that. Pin 4. Yeah. Okay, it's pin 3. Pin 2. And pin 1. Okay, all 5 pins are in the lock, and they are working. Let's see what we got in pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5. Okay, he has threading, looks like threading, let's see, get a closer look. Threading in 1, 3, 4, and 5, nothing in number 2. Okay, let's look at this Bible if we can. Let's see if we can get the springs out. Okay. Okay, he hasn't threaded the Bible. The Bible's just standard. Let's take a close look at the pins. Okay, pin 1, 2, and 3. Number 1 is a serrated key pin. Number 2 is a standard key pin. Number 3 is a serrated key pin. This is a mushroom type spool. This looks like a standard upper pin. And this is another mushroom type spool. Homemade spools. This is a serrated spool, serrated key pin, and a serrated pin. Okay, Chris, I appreciate this lock. It was a real nice pick. So everyone watching, please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And thank you for watching. I appreciate it.